Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have King Pine Dark Pine Oil Concentrated Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Cleans, degreases, and deodorizes. So look at the label. Feel free to pause. I'll zoom it in a little closer. And feel free to pause to look at something a little closer. Not sure the pine oil content of this. It is made in the USA though. Let's go ahead and get started. Same procedure as usual, 1 capful per gallon of hot water. Get in here and zoom in on that action, see if we get any cloudage or anything interesting. Doesn't look like it, but it smells good. And here's what the product looks like in the bucket with the water. Unfortunately, there's no smell-o-vision, but it's got a nice pine scent. Nothing terribly strong and overpowering. Get started. Same as before. Go over it twice. I've gotten in some requests on some certain product to use, and I do appreciate that. I've got them on a list and will be purchasing them, the ones I haven't already got in stock. So please be patient. I will get to it. I also have some lemon products I'm going to be trying. But there's still plenty of pine. That's not going anywhere. And that did a fine job. It picked up quite a bit of dirt that was on the floor. So that's a good thing. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with King Pine Dark Pine Oil Concentrated Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Thank you for watching.